Alright, we're going to do the install for that same property. Get my phone set up here. Yikes. Alright, so we've got the new shingle installed. Again, it looks like it obviously didn't help when we creased just tearing the shingle off. I mean, you can really see some of these marks now. All the way across the shingle. Again, the delamination. We've actually got a couple tears just from the install. And then, I mean, the granules are just flying off this. It's pretty ridiculous. We've got, again, creases in the shingle above and a tear in the shingle above the one that I didn't even touch. I mean, you can see that on the video. This one I would expect. This one I'm almost even a little surprised. These things are in really bad condition. I personally don't see how this could be considered repairable. And again, I mean, you can note the small color difference, especially in person. And they're just literally granules falling all over the place. Yeah, so again, I personally do not consider this to be repairable. I mean, beyond the fact that we've got this small color variation where you look on this one, you can see this one's much brighter, much more blue flakes in it. We've got pretty significant damage to two of the shingles above, and keep in mind, this is a corner piece as well. I mean, we've got creasing, we've got delamination, we've got transfer, we've got tears, rips. I mean, I don't see how this could possibly be considered repairable. Obviously, I'm going to have to get some silicone and seal these down because there's just no way that they would ever naturally seal back down. So, even with that, we've still got some pretty significant damage. I mean, it's going to shorten the life expectancy of the roof. I mean, this is clearly going to impede water flow. This is just not something that I personally would want to stand behind as a contractor as far as what I would consider to be quality work. So I'd really like to see the estimate revived to maybe include a couple more shingles here so that we can get this taken care of properly. Thank you.